Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased another new brand to me from AliExpress. I bought 5 of the Kads stamping plates, and featuring in this video is the first 3. You'll be able to find all the information on where I purchased these from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I've got my usual scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper, and the first Kads stamping plate is Fashion 008. I've got 8 coloured nail tips and I'll be taking 2 swatches from each plate. And to start, I'll be using a pink nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish, and any excess I will remove before placing down. With this first swatch, I'm going to be using 2 images. First the necklace part, and then I'm going to come in underneath and I'll be adding a sort of pendant type image. Now I should have put the first image a little higher, as when the second image goes in, it only just fits, but it's absolutely stunning. I adore this swatch. I absolutely love it. I've sort of done the same on my thumbnail, but I have used a different first part image. For the second swatch from Kads 008, I'm going to be using a white nail tip along with a rose gold stamping polish. Now I absolutely love this colour combo. It's so pretty. It's definitely what I would call a wedding mani colour combo. And again, I love this design. It's absolutely stunning. Now I haven't yet brought this stamping polish to my channel, but it will be coming soon though. Moving on to the next Kads stamping plate, which is Flowers 028. And I'm going to be using a teal coloured nail tip along with a pale pastel-y green stamping polish. Now I've never done this colour combo before, but I really like it, and this image looks so pretty with all that detail going on. And I've actually got the mani from this plate on my right hand. For my next swatch, I'm going to be using a coral coloured nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Now even though these are quite big designs, I'm still removing the excess before placing down. This just means it's less cleanup for me to do. But this is definitely a summer nail for sure. It's very pretty. Moving on to the third stamping plate, which is Kads Min 026. I'm going to be using another white nail tip along with a grey stamping polish. So what I'm going to do for these swatches is what I call doubling up. It's where I stamp one image as high as possible, and then I come in underneath with the same design and stamp below. I do this for smaller images like them on this plate, and with this design it's worked really well, and you would never know, to be fair. And I've just turned the stamper just slightly. For my next swatch, I'm going to be using a blue coloured nail tip along with a pearl white stamping polish. Now again, I've not brought this stamping polish to my channel yet, so another sneaky peek. I am going to be doing the same again with this design of doubling up, and it's worked really well with this design. Some images work, some won't. It's just finding out which ones will and which ones won't. But I really like how these two have come out. They really do look good. And here are all my swatches. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these 3 Kads stamping plates. Kads Fashion 008 is an absolute stunner. It's necklace inspired and has 15 necklace of sort of designs, along with 6 pendant style images. Now I've swatched every image as I normally do, and I've used my Tiffany Duo that you've just seen me use in the video. These are my first Kads stamping plates. I've been seeing them over on social media and I thought I would give them a try. Now I've been highly impressed with Fashion 008, mainly because of the amount of detail that is in every image, and that has all swatched absolutely perfectly. All of them are around about £2, so super affordable as well. Now the quality of these are really nice, and I really do like that they have got the plastic backing on them. This for me is a must on a plate. If you're looking for a stunning, inexpensive stamping plate, this has to be the one. I'll look forward to returning to Kads Fashion 008 at a later date to make some more manis. I'm really quite excited to do that. So for the mani, I decided to use a red and gold colour combo, which I just love. And I've done a necklace and pendant on 3 of the nails. And then on the other 2, I've just taken some of the delicate chain images and put them across the other 2, and I really like how this has turned out. It looks to me very decadent but absolutely stunning though. Kads Flowers 028 is another stunning stamping plate. It has 12 beautifully detailed designs, and again I've used the Tiffany Duo stamper. I love images like these. They will make some great looking manis, and you can even add extra artwork as well to them, like the 3D gem nails. Using them as the 3D gems would look stunning. You could also use some colour to fill in. You could use sort of like the semi-transparent nail polishes or even Sharpies. Again, they would look amazing. One thing is for sure is I can't get over the amount of detail that are in these Kads stamping plates and how well it all transfers. Again, this plate was about £2 in price. If you're looking at just starting out, then this would be a good brand to go with, as well as the other one that I recently did, which is Z Joy. As I said in that video, I don't purchase stamping plates from AliExpress. For me, it's always been a big no-no. But I'm definitely wanting some more of these Kads plates, and there was so many to choose from. It was just brilliant. So the mani, I went with a holographic purple nail polish, and I stamped in black. For 3 of the nails, I've done 4 images. They were a little too big for my nails. If they had been a little longer, then yes, they would have fitted really well. Now for the other 2 nails, I've mainly used the detail underneath the flower, which I just love. But to be fair, I love the whole of this mani. It's something very different from me, and I absolutely love it. Kads Min 026 has 12 beautiful effect designs. Now for me, I have an issue with this plate. Now don't get me wrong, I love how the images have come out, but I wouldn't have bought this if I'd have realised just how small the images are. If you have long or wide nail beds like me, this plate you'll have to use very differently, which I'll show you in my mani. For the swatches, I've again used the Tiffany Duo stamper. Now I love the effects designs these can create. They can make some absolutely beautiful manis, and one of my favourite, which is why I purchased this plate. Now even though I have an issue with the size of the designs, all the detail swatched great, but I am slightly on the fence with it, if I have to be really honest. Now for me, I've really enjoyed working with these Kads stamping plates. They're really inexpensive, really nice quality, and they stamp absolutely fantastically. And I can't personally wait to add some more to my collection. So I'm just going to now talk, while you're finished watching the swatches, about my mani. Now, my pinky is the whole image stamped. So if your nails are longer, you're probably going to have to double up the design. Now I've used a goldy green colour nail polish, and I've stamped in sort of like a pearl white. Now the index, middle and ring finger, I've had to add another swatch at the bottom of the nail. They didn't quite complete the first swatch. Now my thumb, for that, what I have actually done is, instead of stamping it long ways as you would normally, I've turned it around, so I've stamped it widthways. And this is just because my nail bed is so big, and it worked really, really well. I then came in with another one underneath, but because I misjudged stamping, I missed a bit off the side, but I'd got enough on the stamper where I could just sort of add a little bit. So it is in a sense a patchwork quilt effect on my thumb, but you would never know. And that's what I love about trying to achieve these. So all of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what I've used. There is a link in the description box for you. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 3 Kads stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.